In this video, I'll detail series of approach on how to fix unable to update WatchOS. So if you have an Apple Watch and you are struggling to update the Apple Watch OS to the latest version, then this video is going to walk you through step by step on how you can easily fix your Apple Watch not updating or inability to update your Apple Watch. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do when you want to update your Apple Watch or when you are unable to update your Apple Watch is you need to place your Apple Watch on its charger like this. This is paramount. So that's the first thing. Even if when you have 50% charged on your Apple Watch, you still need to place the Apple Watch on your charger before you can update the Apple Watch. Otherwise, you'll not be able to update the Apple Watch software, or you're going to see open application pops on your iPhone. And once you go there, then the software update will stop. Now, after that, once you place your Apple Watch on a charger, go to your Apple Watch settings like this. Type your password if you're using passcode. Go to the settings. On the settings page, you want to connect your Apple Watch to Wi-Fi. So if you're using Apple Watch with cellular, then you can just connect to your Apple Watch cellular by turning on cellular on your Apple Watch, or connect to Wi-Fi. Then here you need to choose available network. Most importantly, I always admonish you to use Wi-Fi or hotspot when you want to update your Apple Watch OS. Then once Wi-Fi is available, then just search for the Wi-Fi name on your Apple Watch. Then click on the connect button here to connect to the Wi-Fi. Then once your Apple Watch is connected to the Wi-Fi, you can drop the Apple Watch. Now go ahead and take your iPhone. So take your iPhone, one on the iPhone home screen like this. Open the Watch app. Then once you open the Watch app on your iPhone, come here and tap General. Then click on Software Update. On the next page, you should see your Apple Watch analyzed how long it's going to take to download the WatchOS and then install it on your iPhone. If you are still unable, then once your Apple Watch estimated how long it's going to take to download and install the WatchOS on your Apple Watch, just hang on. Then after a couple of minutes, once the download is completed, you should see the time remaining here. And once everything is set, then your iPhone will prepare your Apple Watch to install the update. Then once it is prepared, go ahead and tap the install button. Now, this is going to install the latest WatchOS on your Apple Watch. Now, if after doing all this, you still cannot install the update on your Apple Watch, when you go to the Apple Watch screen, you still see that the Apple Watch update is still pending. Then you need to force restart your Apple Watch. How do you force restart your Apple Watch? All you just need to do is press the Control Center button and then the digital crown button together at the same time, like this. Keep pressing until the Apple Watch screen goes blank. So once it goes blank, keep pressing and hang on onto it until you see the Apple logo. Now, once the Apple logo comes up on your Apple Watch, hang on until the Apple Watch is turned on completely. This might take up to 10 to 20 seconds. Once it turns on completely, go ahead, type in your Apple Watch passcode. Now, once you key in your Apple Watch passcode, then reconnect the Apple Watch to the internet again. Then go ahead and search for the update, and then instantly the update time is estimated. Then tap the download and install button. Once you tap the download and install button, this is going to download and install the Apple Watch OS on your Apple Watch. So if you are still unable to do this, then you probably need to change your Wi-Fi. So if you are using router, change the router and change the network. Then I see whether you'll be able to install the latest WatchOS on your Apple Watch. So that is basically what I did. In my own case, when I was unable to install the WatchOS on my Apple Watch. So this is kind of a dynamic, and the problem varies from what is stopping you from installing the WatchOS on your Apple Watch and why you are unable to do it. So I was able to do this by force restart my Apple Watch and then repeat the process on my iPhone, and then my Apple Watch OS was updated. So that is basically how to fix unable to install Apple Watch OS. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.